14-day quarantine imposed in sections of St. Mary due to the coronavirus.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The government has declared a 14-day quarantine for Dover, Enfield, and sections of Onotobi in St. Mary in an effort to contain the spread of the novel coronavirus. The order, which came in effect at 6 a.m. on Thursday the 7th of May, is the result of a COVID outbreak in these communities. According to a press release, there are a total of 13 cases across the communities, and investigations show that there is considerable movement of the affected persons, which has increased the risk of exposure to all persons in the areas. Exposed persons in the communities may develop infection and cause spread to other members in the communities, resulting in a rapid increase in the numbers of positive cases. This is due in main to the high movement of persons within the affected households within the communities, the high population density of two of the communities identified, and the high vulnerability of persons within the communities to severe illness due to age, comorbidities, and other socio-economic factors. During the quarantine period, which will end on Thursday the 21st of May, there will be further testing of members of the communities, close monitoring of members of the communities for development of symptoms, early containment of newly detected cases, prevention of new exposures and transmission of disease, and education of members of the communities of infection prevention and control measures.
Teach them! Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.